How to install MySQL database in your laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then search for MySQL download. Ignore all these sponsored website and go for the authorized MySQL download. Then simply go to MySQL installer and then choose your operating system, select the version, and then select which bit of computer are you using. And then all you have to do is tap on download. Now, tap on no thanks and just start my download. And the file will be ready to be downloaded. After it is installed, simply tap on it and download it to your device like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.